Hello and welcome to Tech Done Fast for the 10th of March 2024. I'm Leon Panopoulos and let's get straight into the news. To start off, Meta suffered a worldwide outage across all platforms on Tuesday night, Australian time, including Facebook, Instagram, and newbie Threads. WhatsApp was not affected, however, Messenger was. A technical issue was apparently behind the outage, however, we didn't really get much more detail than that. The services went back up within a few hours' time, however, it didn't stop everybody's favorite Elon Musk to poke a little fun at Threads, the main competitor to his X platform, by tweeting, "If you're reading this post, it's because our servers are working," followed by a meme. It was honestly a pretty smart and funny post if you ask me. Another popular service also suffered an outage this week, however, very different people were affected. Fortnite was down all day Friday